Plants are mostly herbaceous, which may be annual, biennial, or perennial herbs. Plants have watery sap, which contains glucosinolates, which is mustard oil, and with myrosin cells. So these are the peculiar features: myrosin cells and presence of glucosinolates. And there was one question in government degree college examination relating with the myrosin cells. Leaves are mostly alternate, usually simple, and these are dissected, looking like as if they are compound leaves. But these are not compound, simple and deeply dissected. In nasturtium, the leaf is pinnately compound. In fluorescence, it is the raceme. In raceme, it may be corymbose raceme or totally corymb. For example, in iberis. Iberis inflorescence is corymb. This is the inflorescence diagram. On the right side, it is the raceme of mustard, whereas in left side, it is the candytuft, iberis. It is the corymb. Flowers mostly ebracteate, but nasturtium has bracteate flower. Flowers are bisexual, actinomorphic, or rarely zygomorphic. Iberis has zygomorphic flower, and flowers are hypogynous. Calyx has four sepals, which are free and in two holes. Corolla, which is peculiar in this family, with the arrangement of petals in cross shape. This is called a corolla, cruciform corolla. And corolla, there are in corolla there are four petals. These are clawed, arranged in cross shape pattern, and petals are absent in coronopus and lepidium. This is the flower of family Cruciferi. You can clearly see the cross-shaped petals arrangement. There are four sepals, green sepals. And Duchem generally consisted of six stamens, and arrangement is tetradynamous. Stamens are free and arranged in two holes. Two outer stamens are short, whereas inner four uh, stamens have long stalks. Dehiscence is longitudinal, and nectaries may be present near the base of the stamens. So this is the tetradynamous condition. You can see clearly two outer short stamen, where inner stamens these have long stalks. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, means consists of two carpels, syncarpus, fused carpels, unilocular, but becoming bilocular due to a false septum that is surrounded by a thick placental rim, which is called as repulum. Placentation is parietal because crucifer is the member of parietal. Ovary superior, gynophore distinct, single style, bifid stigma. This is the fruit. You can see the siliqua. Siliqua is longer than broader. And after the dehiscence, there is repulum. That is the false septum. Fruit is various type. It may be siliqua, just like in brassica. In siliqua, the fruit length is more than width, approximately thrice of the width. In silicula, it is the reverse order, that it is the short and length is less than thrice the width. The dehiscence of the fruit is from below to the upward, leaving seeds appressed to the false septum, seed with large embryo, endosperm absent, insect pollination, and seed dispersal by wind is the peculiar feature relating the fruits of cruciferi. This is the floral formula. Ebracteate mostly, actinomorphic, bisexual. Corolla consists of four sepals arranged in 2+2 arrangement. Uh, Calyx consists of four sepals arranged in two holes, 2+2. Corolla is four and arrangement is cruciform, and rhizome is tetradynamous, means two outer short and four inner long, 2 plus 4, and gynoecium is bicarpellary, ovary superior, and stamens are free. So this is the floral diagram in this one. So in last examination of NET, the floral formula of this family was part of the question of the match of the column. Economic importance: radish, Raphanus sativus, that is the muli. Cabbage, Brassica oleracea, variety capitata. Cauliflower, Brassica oleracea, variety botrytis. Turnip, Brassica rapa. Brussels sprout, Brassica oleracea, variety gemifera. Mustard oil, Brassica comprestis. Brassica oleracea, variety kohlrabi, it is kohlrabi. Brassica nigra, it is the black mustard and it is the used as the condiments. Icetis tinctoria, this is the wood, not wood. Spelling is WAD. It yields dye, blue color dye, alternate of indigo. Arabidopsis, very important plant, also belongs to this family. Brassica gentiana, it is the rye used in the spice. Brassica nepus is the thoria. It is the different. Brassica nepa is the turnip and Brassica nepus is thoria. So major difference. And Iruca sativa is tarameth. Ornament plants include Stock Mathiola, that is the stock, Iberis amara, Candytuft, Alyssum Araceum, that is the wallflower. So this is the economic importance of this family. So peculiar feature of this family is tetradynamous stamen, presence of false septum, fruit siliqua or silicula, parietal placentation. This is the tetradynamous stamens and cruciform corolla. And racemose, typical racemose inflorescence, it is the peculiar feature of this family. So this family is also part of the syllabus of this government degree college as well as civil services, and also in government teacher college and also in CBSE. So this is very elementary family covering from 12th level graduation to various examination and also part of the MSc and in NET examination. So I hope that this discussion will help you. Thank you.